Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to NCS Radha's Online Teaching Academy, Ekaleva. A pizza full of vegetables was served at a birthday party. Henry liked capsicum very much. Harry was fond of mushroom. Terence loved to eat corn. So, how could they get the food items they liked? They could probably pick out their favorite food items using their hands. But is this the only method to separate things? Substances are separated using different methods. Let us study the various methods of separation in this chapter. Class 6, Subject Science, Topic Separation of Substances. By the end of this chapter, you should be able to state what are mixtures, separating solids from solids, magnetic separation, separating solids from liquids, separating soluble substances from their solutions, separation of immiscible liquids, solutions and solubility. Let's start with mixture. What is a mixture? A mixture is a combination of two or more substances. Various nuts mixed together form a mixture. Similarly, various vegetables mixed together in a salad also form a mixture. The substances that make up a mixture are called its components. The components of the mixture of nuts could be walnut, almond, cashew nuts, and peanuts. The components of the salad could be carrot, radish, tomato, beetroot, and so on. Why is separation of mixtures required? In our daily life, we come across many instances where separation of mixtures is required. For example, in a kitchen, unwanted stones have to be removed from pulses. Tea leaves have to be strained from tea. And butter has to be separated from milk. Next, separating solids from solids. Let us discuss a few simple methods used in our daily lives to separate mixtures made of solids. First one, hand picking. Hand picking is done when the impurities differ in shape or color and the quantities of the impurities and the mixture are not large. It involves picking out impurities such as stones, broken grains, and insects by hand. Stones are removed from pulses or rice by hand picking. Next, threshing. The process of beating the harvested crops to separate grains from their stalks is called threshing. Stalks are dried in the sun before threshing. Threshing is usually done in three ways: manually, by animals, or by machines. In manual threshing, small bundle of dried harvested stalks are threshed or beaten on a hard surface to free the grain. Next, threshing using animals. Animals such as cattle are used for threshing large quantities of stalks. They are tied to a pole and made to walk on the stalks spread on the ground around the pole. Their hooves separate the grains from the stalks. Threshing using machines. Threshing can also be done using machines called threshers. What did we learn today? We discussed about mixtures, separating solids from solids, such as hand picking and threshing. I hope you all understood the topic. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.